How to install phprojekt from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install phprojekt. Click the phprojekt link here. This is the phprojekt installation screen. phprojekt is a project management system featuring an optional group system, privileges, calendar, contacts, time card, projects chat, forum, request tracker, mail client, to-do list, voting, and much more. Click the new installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Enter the admin's name here. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! phprojekt has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log in to your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install phprojekt to your account from within Fantastico.